Welcome everyone. Today I'll be talking you through the long-awaited LUMii Black 720 watt LED fixture. So let's get started. So you can buy this fixture on its own or the fixture in a kit with a ballast. That might confuse a few of you to start with, but I'll explain shortly why that is unique and why that stands out so much in the industry. So let's get started. Fixture. It's 720 watts and it's a 6-bar fixture. The LEDs, they're made for LUMii, so you know they're super efficient, super high quality. The uniqueness I was talking about a moment ago is that this fixture doesn't come or use a driver, which normal LEDs do as standard. So where this LED is unique and stands out is that it actually uses a 600 watt electronic ballast, which is very unique in the industry and it hasn't been used before. In the box, you get these brackets. The brackets here, so you can basically attach it on the back spine of the fixture. This basically slides up or down, so you can place the ballast wherever you want. You can actually have the ballast operating 10 meters away from the LED. In order to do so, you need to buy some LUMii extension leads. If you want to run it up to 10 meters away, you're going to need to use the 1.5 millimeter copper core. And if you want it to run it up to 5 meters away, then you can use the smaller copper core, which is 0.75 millimeters. If you decided you want to run the ballast on top of the fixture, and you might want the extra heat for something like during the winter when it's slightly colder outside, then you use these brackets to mount it on top of the fixture. So this is simply some thumb screws on the two inner bars. So you just release them slightly and they're literally just slide up and down, so you can place the ballast wherever you care to. Right, the LED is now been built, it's in situ. So we connected the LED to the power. All we're going to do now is raise it up, get it in position, and we'll turn it on so everyone can have a little look at it.